Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to walk you through making a chip bag, and these are a lot of fun, especially in the summer or actually anytime, but they're perfect for birthday parties, any type of event that you're having that you want to add a little pizzazz to. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through making this, and we're going to use Canva. And this is the paper that I am using, which is right here. It's an inkjet. Is that what it says? I'm using this paper, and I will leave it in the descriptions as well if you want. And let's get started. What we're going to do is start on over and create a Fabrica. And when you're in there, all I did was type in chip bag, and you'll get a variety of chip bags. And the one that I'm going to use is the first one. Well, it pulled up the first one for me. It may be different for you. Go ahead and download this. So when I downloaded this, you can actually do it in an SVG file. So if you want to upload this to Cricut Design Space, you can edit it over there. Or if you want to do it in Canva, you can do that in Canva as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do Canva. And we're just going to double click here, and I'll leave the link in the descriptions below if you like this one as well. And the next step here is you'll just click on this, and this will take you directly into Canva. This will tell you how to do it, and we're just going to bypass that and go to the bottom and put use template for new design. So then we're going to scroll down here. So I like this format because it has it all laid out for you. So you'll know here is the front of the wrapper, these are the back. And so just everything is already laid out for you. It just makes it easy for you. If you don't want to do this and you don't want to buy it like off of Create a Fabrica, you can always take a letter size paper, which is 8.5 by 11. And what I would do is just center the chip bag in the middle, and then you're going to fold it over as if that is your wrapper, and then you'll just measure where those folds are, if that makes sense, and you can just kind of work backwards and do it that way. These also have nutritional facts, which are super cute. You can always just go to Google and type in nutritional facts for birthday, and just hit enter. And a lot of times you'll have these pop up, and you can just go over here to like images and just scroll around and see which ones they have. A lot of them you can get for free just by right clicking and saving as. So that's another option as well. We are in Canva, and all you do is just kind of take your image, let's say, and let's say I'm going to do this image. You would just slide it over and just make it smaller, and you're just going to play with this to get your design. So I already have a design, so let me go out of here and show you what that design is that I'm going to use. Okay, and let me scroll down. So I am going to use this design. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to download this. So I'm just going to select number 2. So this is the one that I'm going to download, and we're going to hit download. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And then all you're going to do is hit file, print, and you'll want to make sure to hit the best quality just so it shows up nice. Okay, so this is the paper that I'm going to use. It's inkjet glossy photo paper, and I got this off of Amazon. So if you like this, you can use this as well. And I ordered this one because it's supposed to be a thinner photo paper, so it would be more similar, actually look more like a chip bag, you know, the thinness. So let's see if that's the case. That's what it says. So okay, so yeah, this is very, it's not like aluminum thin, you know, like that kind of texture, but it is very, I think it's very thin. All right, so anyway, we're going to use this. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the printer. We're going to print this, and then we're going to put it together. When you print it, make sure that you do landscape. And I set my preferences, my printing preferences to the best, so it will come out really nice. And so we're going to do is take a bag of chips that we're going to put inside. We're going to turn this over. So when we fold it, we're going to fold it like this. So I'm going to go ahead and use double-sided tape to go here. And then you'll also want to do the top and the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and use this permanent, well, I don't know why it even says permanent. But anyway, this is double-sided tape. Let's try this. And if you don't have this, you can always use, let me show you. At the Dollar Tree, they sell the double-sided tape. So you can always use this from the Dollar Tree. That works just as well. It's just whatever you have on hand. So this is kind of, okay. So I'm going to do the bottom as well. Just going across. And let's do the top. Okay, so now all we do is place the chip right in here. We're going to fold this. And then this part, the sticky part, is going to go right on top. You get a good position. Okay. And you want to make sure it's lined up before you press down. Okay, so just like so. We are going to, so it looks like on the front, we're going to go ahead and just close, just like this. So I guess I could have done a better job. Let's see. All right, so you just have to be careful when you do it, but isn't that so cute? And it was so easy to make. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we will see you in the next one. If you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.